Walmart is cutting prices on beef, Coke, and Pepsi nationwide. Walmart announced recently that it is lowering prices on thousands of products, including beef, soda, and laundry detergent, to help shoppers manage summer cost. The reductions apply at Walmart and Sam's Club stores, on both companies' websites, and on their corresponding apps. They cover groceries as well as seasonal items such as grills, sunscreen, and lawnmowers. President Donald Trump praised the decision on Truth Social, saying that Walmart would be lowering prices at his administration's request to mark the country's 250th birthday. Walmart, however, did not mention the president in its announcement and has not publicly commented on his post. The company highlighted several price reductions, including a 1-pound roll of 73% ground beef for $5.94, down from $6.74, 24 packs of Coca-Cola, Diet Coke, and Coke Zero for $9.97, down from $14.97, and 24 packs of Pepsi, Diet Pepsi, Dr. Pepper, and Diet Mountain Dew for $9.97, down from $13.97. Analysts view the cuts as a continuation of Walmart's usual low-price strategy rather than a new initiative. It's a win-win for both sides. Trump needs to improve his messaging around affordability ahead of the midterms, and Walmart loves to occupy the low-price spotlight. Vital Knowledge analyst Adam Crisafulli wrote in a client note, "Affordability remains a sore spot for many households across the country." The Consumer Price Index reached its highest level in more than 3 years in May, lifted by energy prices connected to the Iran war. A recent Guardian and Harris Poll survey underscored the widespread concern, finding that 95% of Americans believe the country is facing an affordability crisis, with about half saying that they are struggling to afford basic necessities like groceries and gas.